Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's unboxing, I have something from New Balance. So during my last New Balance unboxing video, I was talking about how I wanted a pair of 550 and somehow it always sold out on the website, and unless I get it on StockX, I just don't see how I could get it, and I don't want to buy pre-love or buy it from reseller market because I wouldn't know if it's real or not. So today I went into Philadelphia. They have a store in town, so I decided to go check it out, and I was really surprised to have seen a pair of 550 in the store. And here is it. Of course I have to pick it up. Somehow the box looks really beat up. I wonder if it was from people's return or something, but I was so excited and I didn't even check through the shoes. I just kind of tried it on quickly and decided that I was going to get it because I'm not going to let it go when I saw a pair of 550. So hopefully things looks good. So here is the 550, and let me take another one out of the box and toss it aside. So this is not the collaboration version, their New Balance collaboration with ALD, and this is the original one from their New Balance. So this is in black color, and this was the only color they have in store. On the website, it's currently sold out. So if you are interested in a pair of 550, and maybe you could check out your local New Balance store. Maybe they still have a few in stock. So far, I would prefer to get a pair of colorful one, but since that's the only pair they available, and black is always a versatile color, so why not, right? I decided to try it on and to see maybe I would like this style, and maybe next time I'm able to get it on New Balance website or on Aime Leon Dore's website. I have to, every time they release a new pair of New Balance collaboration, you have to kind of go through the checkout process. It's a lucky draw kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you have to sign up, go through the payment process, and if you are lucky, you will be picked to purchase a pair of their New Balance collaboration shoes. So far I have tried twice and no luck. So, but now at least I was able to pick out a pair from the store. I'm going to try it on later and tell you more about it. I don't think this one is made from real leather. I believe they are actually made from synthetic leather. It is very famous because of their collaboration with ALD, and I think this one originally was from 80s, 90s when basketball players wear them in the court, but now it's just become a trendy pair of sneakers. So I do like the style, and I like how the layering of the materials and the stitches, so that it doesn't look so simple. Some of the New Balance sneakers, they don't have so many panels that stitch together. So this one, it looks like it has more design elements, and the outsole feels pretty solid as well. The toe box is pretty soft, so hopefully nothing hit your toes when you wear this. So I'm going to try it on and to show you how it looks on my feet. So here's me trying it on. This seems to be a little bit narrower compared to my 993, Looking at the back, the bottom of the shoe. So far, it feels pretty comfortable. And I do like that with shoes that I got from New Balance, it seems that they are hugging my feet better. Like I don't feel like there's a lot of space between my feet and the shoe. So I do like that feeling. It feels kind of more secure, like you feel like you are wearing the shoes, that the shoe is not slipping out from your feet. So I do like that kind of feeling. And that's how it looks. The side. Not slipping out too much. Let's see. It still has tiny space, but so far I think this is fit true to size. I'm size 9 and this is size 9 and it fit really well. Even I think if I wear a thicker socks, it should still work. Hopefully the summer is not too hot here and I'm able to wear this pair of black 550 out, or else I'll wait till fall and winter to style this pair of shoes. If you want to get a pair of 550, try to check out your local New Balance store. Hopefully they have it in stock. So far it's almost impossible, basically impossible to get it from their website. Thanks for joining me today for today's unboxing, and I will talk to you again next time. Bye!